friends, so today we are talking all about Halloween, specifically Halloween designs and what is trending in 2023. So these are going to be things you can put on all of your craft projects, so your tote bags, your mugs, your sweatshirts, whatever it is that you're making, these are going to be adorable. So I have 4 different trends for you, and we're also going to talk about where you can find them. So that's going to be in Cricut Design Space, as well as a couple of other websites that I really love. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop into it, and if you're new here, you're Crafting with Kim Byers. Okay, so the very first of our trends is everywhere. It's the Western trend, and it's not just for Halloween. This trend is on everything for every niche out there. You're going to find the same trend for Christmas. So if you are skipping Halloween and moving right into Christmas, you need to check this one out. Okay, so the second trend you want to look into is the block trend. So this is where you're taking 6 or 9 of something and putting them in a block formation onto your sweatshirt, your tote, your mug, whatever the case may be. It does work better on like larger items. And this is trending just everywhere as well. And so it's really fun if you find multiple things from the same designer, or if you can take a design and break out the multiple pieces and put them into this block formation. Okay, and if you guys are enjoying the conversation so far, make sure you smash that like button. Okay, so in idea number 3, this is the collegiate trend. So this is something that's also going through all of the different niches. So when you're thinking about Halloween, it could be very simple words like the word boo or spooky or scary, or, you know, making that, niching that down so that it is like spooky teacher or something like that. So you're going to see that across everything, and this is very easy to pull off. And I actually have a video where I did something like this with the word mama in a puff vinyl, and that was really fun. So I will make sure and pop that up above. Okay, and so the last one for this video is the retro theme. Guys, this is across everything and everywhere, but for Halloween, there are some really fun designs out there. The checkerboard thing is pretty much across all designs. This bubbly fun font is across everything, and I'm going to put some links down below to fonts like this and designs like this. So all the things that I've shown you are all going to be down below in the description. Okay, and before you go, if you are thinking about selling any of your Halloween crafts this year, make sure you check out my video from last week where I'm talking about how you search in Etsy for free and with a really great tool, how to find out whether or not that product will sell before you put your effort and time into it. Or if you are just looking to gift these things or make these things for yourself, I promise you all 4 of these trends are going to make everyone smile. All right guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful crafting week, and I will see you in the next video.